portion. Blocks 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 11, 12, 13. 8 blocks are there, children. Total 8 blocks are there. So today I am going to tell you first 4 blocks. What it is there from backside of your workbook. What grammar part we are going to cover in this first 4 blocks. Let me explain you today. Remaining 4 blocks I will explain you in next video, children. Okay. I have told you, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 11, 12 and 13 are your essay 1 portion, beta. In essay 1 you have grammar part, you study glossaries. Okay, these are the glossaries what I have explained you, and study this make sentences. Be perfect with this make sentences. Then see here, backside of your book you don't have block 1, block 2. Direct it is there. Direct which block you have? Block 3. What you have? Conjunctions. I have explained you very clearly what are conjunctions, and I have given you some examples. So these type of examples will come in your exam, children. Okay, be perfect with this. Next, I am going to explain you today what are abstract noun and concrete noun. See, next topic what it is there? Abstract noun and concrete noun. In which block? 4th block. You don't have 5th block now. You don't have 6th block. You have now 7th block. Simple and compound sentences. This grammar you should be perfect backside of your workbook. From this examples, you'll get same examples or different type of examples in your exam, children. See here now. 18th, write today's date. You write like this neatly in your grammar book, revision book. Write today's date, children, 18/3/2021. Day 4, subject English. Essay revision you write, essay 1 revision. Abstract and concrete noun. Abstract noun. What are these nouns? Abstract nouns are nouns that refers to things that do not exist as a material object, like an idea, emotion, feeling or quality. Some examples of abstract noun are happiness, courage, information. Means what, children? Which you cannot see. Abstract nouns are noun which you cannot see. Can you see the emotion? Can you see the feeling? Happiness? Courage? Can you see this courage? No. See here examples. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the abstract noun which you cannot see. Different people have different beliefs and ideas. Can you see beliefs and ideas? No, you can't see. Which we cannot see are known as abstract noun. Next, see here, children. Concrete noun. Concrete noun or noun that refers to a person, place or thing that we can see, hear or experience throughout our sense. Means place, person or thing which you can see, hear or experience through our sense. Examples: a large black panther. You can see panther? Yes. Appear from behind the rock. You can see the rock and panther? Yes. Kamral is my friend. Name of the person and friend which you can see. School? Yes. Place? It is place. Next, there are clouds in the sky today. There are clouds. You can see clouds? You can see sky? Yes. Means, what are these concrete nouns? Instead of noun, concrete nouns are noun that refers to the person, place or thing which we can see, hear or experience through our sense. See here, write neatly. Only 5 you write here, children. How many? 5. Underline the abstract noun from the sentence. Okay. Only 5 are there. We have to get at the truth of the matter. Truth. Underline the truth. Next one. Mary isn't the type of person who gossips. Gossip. Which we cannot see, children. These are abstract noun. Only 5 are there. Write it. Remaining 3 you do better. People lost faith in bank, which is the abstract noun. You underline it. She will defeat them. I was delighted at the news of her success, which is the answer. Underline it. Next, you have 5 concrete nouns. An apple is placed on the dining table. Dining table is the concrete noun. A baby boy is playing on the couch, which is a concrete noun. Underline it. He is one of the best designer in our city, which is the answer. Underline it. The size of an elephant is so big compared to other animal. Underline the concrete noun. See last one, first one and last one I did for you. The cunning fox is trying to grab the grapes which are on the tree. So the cunning fox, underline fox, is trying to grab the grapes which are on the tree. Okay children, with this we have completed your workbook backside grammar part. Block 3 and block 4 is done. Block 5 is not there children. Block 6 is not there. Block 7, what do you have? Now let us see now. See here. Compound subjects and compound predicates. Read this properly children. Simple and compound sentences. Block 7, backside of your workbook, you have this grammar part. Be perfect with this. Okay. Then next, which blocks you have children? See children, before this, you see this one. Page number 40, you have this. Create abstract nouns by adding TION and NESS correctly to the words. Tried, triedness. It is tired children. Tired, tiredness. Distribute, distribution. You need to add TION and NESS. Clever, cleverness. Ill, illness. Sad, sadness. Conduct, conduction. Invent, invention. Careless, carelessness. High, highness. Reject, rejection. Okay children, with this we have completed our abstract noun and concrete noun. You read from your workbook this grammar part of block 7 children. Now see, take out your volume 2 workbook. I am showing you what you will get in your exam children. Okay. Now you have block 11 children, you have block 11 now. In this block 11 what you will get beta? You need to be perfect from back side of your workbook, this grammar part. Order words. What are these order words? First, then, next, finally. Be perfect with these examples. In exam what I will do, I will give you one paragraph and I will tell you to write the order words. Next is block 12. What is block 12? Write a personal letter, means it is informal letter. Be perfect with one informal letter. I'll give you one informal letter in your exam. Next, what it is there? Pronoun. I'll give you some fill in the blanks to underline the pronoun, or I'll tell you to write the proper pronoun in the given fill in the blank. So be perfect with this backside workbook grammar part. Next, you have here block 13. What do you have in block 13? Comparative and superlative. What are comparative and superlative? See here and be perfect with this grammar part. Okay, you'll get one letter writing, informal letter, you'll get passage reading, you'll get your glossaries, make sentence, and I have shown you the examples how I have explained you about this conjunction abstract noun, and how I have explained you about these conjunctions. You'll get like this examples in your exam. So you need to be perfect with this grammar part. Okay children, understood, no? You'll get letter writing, see the picture and write the questions, read the passage and answer the question answers, and this grammar part, it is compulsory. You have block 1, 2, 3, 4, then block 7, block 11, block 12 and block 13, and you have block 13. Till 13 you have, no? So be perfect with this grammar part. Okay, I have showed you, no? I am telling you how your question paper will be. Question paper will be, see here, be perfect with this objective part, grammar part, sorry. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.